legends never die. They evolve. The 2026 BMW R100 resurrects one of motorcycling's most beloved nameplates, with a perfect blend of heritage and modernity. This is Next Gen Reviews, and today we're examining how BMW has reimagined a classic icon for contemporary riders. Design. The R100 celebrates minimalist motorcycle design at its finest. Clean lines and purposeful proportions define this machine, with the legendary air-cooled Boxer engine taking center stage. Polished aluminum cylinder heads contrast beautifully against classic paint options. The timeless fuel tank shape, wire spoke wheels, and quality chrome details create authentic retro appeal. BMW's craftsmanship shines through every detail, from the comfortable bench seat to the tasteful badging. This bike proves that sometimes less truly is more. Performance. The updated Boxer engine delivers that characteristic BMW experience riders crave. Smooth power flows from the horizontally opposed cylinders, providing strong torque for relaxed cruising or spirited riding. The engine's unique layout creates a low center of gravity that enhances handling and stability. Power delivery is wonderfully linear and predictable, building confidence with every ride. That distinctive Boxer sound and feel remind you this is something special. The bike handles beautifully, balancing agility with planted stability. Features and technology. BMW cleverly integrates modern features while preserving classic aesthetics. Ride modes and ABS enhance safety. The instrumentation blends traditional gauges with discrete digital displays. LED lighting improves visibility. Conclusion. There you have it, the 2026 BMW R100. Classic done right? Share your perspective in the comments. If this review resonated with you, hit that like button, share with classic bike lovers, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more. Until next time.